Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. We're going to make a candle today. I'm making my new series. This candle is called Gimme, and this is for the upcoming Valentine's Day season, and this will go in my adulting basket. So for Gimme, the first thing I do is I put my wax in my wax melter. I'm going to turn my wax melter up as high as it'll go, and that's just to get the fastest melt that we can. And I also put green coloring in there. Once my wax is melted, I turn my heat down because I want that heat down to about 125, and then I'm going to add my scents that make up my recipe for Gimme. I'm showing you two of the scents there, but there are a couple of more that I put in there. And man, when I tell you this candle smells like gimme, 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 it smells so good. And I'm going to make sure I stir that scent in there very well, get it well incorporated into that wax, so that when I pour this candle, it smells throughout the entire melt process when you light it. So there we have our candle, Gimme, and it's poured in its container there. And I will let that sit and cure for a couple of days. And then I'll cut the wick down and we will have our product.